Welcome to Gino's Creative Cooking. Time for Thanksgiving. Let's make this mac and cheese with no flour at all. And let's see how Gino makes his. Well, famous mac and cheese. Cheese, the one that my family loves so much. They all ask for recipes. Why? Because I use fresh tomatoes. I usually use fresh tomatoes, and this time I didn't have enough tomatoes, so I'm going to add a little bit of the canned tomatoes. I'm using diced fire roasted. These are really good organic tomatoes. And another thing, I use the cheddar cheese. I have this white cheese here. You can use mozzarella cheese. I'm just gonna put a little bit of it and mix it with the cheddar. I'm yet to grate it. This is a Cabernet cheese. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right. Cabernet is in Cabernet wine. They also have it in Merlot. Love this cheese. And I use also some onion. No flour in mine. No flour. I use sour cream. This what thickens it. Make it a little bit thicker. And this time, I'm going to add a bit of chicken. This is a little spicy. You know I love spicy. Your girl loves spicy. So this, I made it yesterday, sauteed it. This is from the breast chicken. Basil, paprika, and salt. That's all is in it. So I'm going to start by just like grating this cheese. You all know how I love using this chopper. You know, I show it all the time using it. Only if I was getting paid to show this, but I'm not. I just like using it. Bought it from Amazon and I've been using it ever since. So I just cut them in lumps and I put them in here. Why? Because I want my onions very fine. Very fine, right? Yeah. That's that. I put it in here. And this favorite chopper of mine, veggie chopper. And it has a string. I think I always have fun using it. It's fun together with cooking. Cooking is fun for me, so this is one of my favorite toys that I just love using. Okay, so can you see how it is? Yeah, it is that. Love it. Look at that. See how fine that onion is. So it's time to take it out. I have it at medium heat and it's been cooking for about 5 minutes. So I'm gonna put it here. Pepper here, paprika, and a bit of salt. What you always have to have is oregano. How do you say it? Oregano. Okay, let's keep going. There's mac and cheese. Time to add the cheese. There you have it. Jumping all over. Come on, baby. Jump on me. Yeah. put it in the oven and bake. That's about that. Isn't it just looking so yummy, yummy, yummy? Yep, yep, yummy. Cheese with the pasta. We're gonna put chicken in the middle. Now I'm gonna top it up with some cheese. And I'll put it in there for about 30 minutes or until it's nice and crispy on top. See the chicken?